How to solve basic fraction problems using addition. To solve 1/5 plus 2/5, since both fractions have the same denominator, start by adding the numerators. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and keep the denominator the same. Therefore, 1/5 plus 2/5 is equal to 3/5. To solve 1/4 plus 1/2, since both fractions have different denominator, start by finding the least common denominator, or LCD, of 4 and 2. The smallest number that both 4 and 2 can divide into evenly is 4, so use 4 as the common denominator. Since 1/4 has already 4 as the denominator, so leave it as it is. To convert 1/2 to a fraction with a denominator of 4, multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2, giving it 2/4. Now, add the two fractions. 1/4 plus 2/4 is equal to 3/4. So, the final answer is 3/4. To solve 4/7 plus 1 and 1/7, start by converting the mixed number 1 and 1/7 to an improper fraction. Multiply the whole number 1 by the denominator 7. 1 times 7 is equal to 7. Add the numerator 1 to the result. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So 1 and 1/7 is equal to 8/7. Now add 4/7 plus 8/7. Since both fractions have the same denominator, directly add the numerators. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Then keep the denominator the same. Since 12/7 is an improper fraction, so convert it to a mixed number. 12 divided by 7 equals 1 with a remainder of 5, or 1 and 5/7. So the final answer to 4/7 plus 1 and 1/7 is 1 and 5/7. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.